Why a pause before eating changes everything. A few seconds before eating can change how your entire meal is processed. Most people move from activity straight into eating. The body stays in a state of alertness and digestion is affected. According to Ayurveda and yoga therapy, digestion requires a relaxed state. When you pause, even briefly, the system begins to settle. Breathing slows. Attention shifts. The body prepares to receive. This is not ritual to follow perfectly. It is a transition from doing to receiving. And when the body receives food properly, nourishment happens more deeply. A small pause may seem insignificant, but over time it can transform how your system responds to food. You may choose to acknowledge the food, its source, or simply take a breath. This small moment creates a transition from doing to receiving, and when the body is ready to receive, nourishment happens more deeply.